forget to subscribe, like our videos, and share. As a matter of fact, click on the notification button so that you can get more often of our video. And we are on our routine class, skincare routine class. It's a big time, big one. So, and also additional information for you guys. We also sell our skincare recipe, organic ingredient, like for those of you who promise creams as well. Also, I just want to tell you that we sell all of your ingredient, like for cosmetic or organic ingredient, organic recipe. Any of them that you need, you can easily call the number on your screen. What we just do, we just get your location and we send them to you. Trust me, whatever ingredient for this skincare that you're into, we have them all. Okay, it's a quick one. Like as I told you, your number one priority should be your skin to us. So our number one priority is your skin. Your skin matters a lot. So today we'll be looking at one of the major tools that people often use to apply for their skin. For those of you who love whitening or lightening, okay, it's no other cream than Fashion Fair. As a matter of fact, you all know Fashion Fair. Fashion Fair, this is a lightening cream and whitening cream also that is being formulated, to remove to remove dark edges, pimples, like inflammatory skins, so this is, because it's all steroid. Most of these tubes that are steroid. Are you getting it? But the idea of people using it, they apply it to their skin directly without having the idea of the effect, the side effect about it. That's really weird. That's what we really want to talk about today. So this tube, this cream, Fashion Fair, is of two types. We have the cream, and also we have the gel. And this thing, they're all made of clobetasol. You understand it? Yes, you can check it. They're all made of clobetasol, about 0.05%. Most of all this tube, that is what they've been made of. Because they are all steroid. First of all, let me enlighten you. What do you understand by steroid? Steroid, this when we say steroid, this actually steroid creams are medications that are being designed for inflammatory skin, such as skin irritation, redness of the skin, eczema and all that. These are what steroid be designed for, or whatever causes those irritations. So that is what steroid be designed for, to help you manage all that, to help you coordinate those information, excess information that comes out from the body. So as a matter of fact, but some people don't really know that most of these tube, they contain steroid. You understand it? So like this Fashion Fair we talk about today, is a lightening and whitening cream formulated basically for those purposes. So for those of you who love applying Fashion Fair cream or the gel to your skin, come on. If you okay, fine, it's still okay. If you want to apply Fashion Fair, I think like as I said, you can see them on the screen. Are you getting me? We have the gel type and we have the cream type. You can apply fine. You can apply the one of the cream, because the one of the gel is fast action. It works faster, fine. We all knew that. Like it works faster, fine. You understand? Fashion Fair gel, that one work faster to the one of the cream. But what y'all don't know is this. Come on, this that work faster. After using it, you notice that the way it works faster, it also have some side effect. As a matter of fact, it also make you look darker. It meant you stop using it. Are you getting it? Yes, because it's advisable that you should use that for you. Like if you're having some dark knuckles, fine, it's good that yeah, if you use it for knuckles, yes, knuckle repair is fine, it's advisable. I mean the fashion fair gel, but the fashion fair cream, if you want to apply this, fine, I could say maybe if you want to apply or fashion fair tube, the one of the cream, you want to apply that one, you can apply that one on if you're using a 60 ml of your base, the base that you're applying it to, not direct apply, that one is hot also, but not like the gel. Are you getting it? Okay, you should mix it with some of that cream, like some of that base, and if you want to promix it, and the base of that cream you're promixing it with should be like, if for example you're using a 60 ml of your base, the fashion fair cream should be okay. Y'all can add one or two into it. Are you getting it? But maybe if you want your base cream to be of that like about 200 ml or 250 ml, y'all can put say 3 of it, you know, 3 of this fashion fair cream tube, you know, to it, and it will also work faster. Trust me on this one, it will work faster too, and but not like the one of the gel. Are you getting it? That one it will work, and there are some extent that, how will I say it, it's not gonna show like this one, because this one is fast action. Are you getting it? But this one that you see that it will gradually, because you've stepped it down. And most of your base, if you make your base like a whitening booster also, okay, it will serve as a booster, but before then you must freely step it down with that base, because with the base that you put it in now, the power will reduce a bit, you know, also still boosted but reduce a bit, not like you're applying it to your face directly. So it's mainly advisable, because all these they are, I mean, they contain clobetasol, you know that mean they contain clobetasol, like so now you're taking the drug for no reason. You say, and you know, like the reason for clobetasol, and like I said earlier before, most of these tubes they all contain clobetasol, and the reason for this clobetasol is to repair, to contain the condition of your skin, such as those inflammatory skin, like talk about the redness, talk about skin irritation, some rashes and eczema, all that. Yeah, you getting it? That is more reason we use it. Are you getting it? That's why most of these tubes have been, like most of them, like I said, 90% or 80% of them, 70% of them, they are all steroid. Check them out. Are you getting it? So that is what fashion fair cream. So the best way you can use fashion fair cream, that tube, yeah, is for you to mix it with your base. So, but as for the fashion fair gel, that one, applying it to your face is a no-no. It's a no matter how y'all want to get whitening, color this or lightning, no, don't use it that way. It's better use for knuckles, fine. Are you getting it? Fine, that is my advice. Okay, now we've come to the end of our skincare routine, and don't forget that this topic is just because of you, that I love you all. And as for you, as for those of you who love promixing, don't do this because you just you have a little idea. I advise you all to study more about all this thing, because this is your skin you're talking about. Are you getting it? So your skin is your number one priority in your body, you know, because your skin is our priority also. It's our priority. We're in here to protect it. So we've got to the end of today's topic. Are you getting to the lesson? Like as I said, if today is your first time you're bumping it into our channel, Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and share, and also click on the notification button to enable you to get more of our videos. Trust me on this one. In here we'll teach you how to mix cream. In here we'll teach you whatever you feel like you want to learn about this line, about skincare line. Yes, trust me, we'll teach you all of it. Okay, now as I said before earlier, if you promise and you need all this organic ingredient, or you need cosmetic, you want to buy all this thing, trust me, this is the right place. The number on your screen, you can use that to contact us and we'll just get you whatever you need. If you talk about all these essential oils, you talk about these tubes, you talk about what, just name it, so long as skincare, all about skincare materials, we sell all of them. AYA Nigeria, we in here for you guys. You know, ever since we came into Nigeria, this is what we'll be doing, and we'll be doing world for you, and trust me on this one.